Class, today we will continue with question number 9. Yesterday I have given you question number 8 only. Now question number 9. Plus, in the given figure we have to find the area of the shaded region. We have to find the area of the shaded region. Now class, what we will do, if we'll see this AB, according to the question, this AB and CD are the diameters and perpendicular to each other, means this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. Now what we need to do, we need to check for the radius. Radius is 7, means this is 7. So of this diagram the radius will be 7 by 2, because this complete is a 7. So overall this is, if we talk about the center and the distance from here, it will be 3.5. Now this we have got. So if we got the radius of this circle, then what we have got? We have got the area, pi 7 by 2 square. That's it. Now talking about this area. If this is 90 degree, then this completely is a quad, and we can put the area of the sector using 90 upon 360 pi r square. Here r is OB you can take, OA you can, OC you can take, that is equals to 7, as the radius of the complete circle is given 7, and this is also 7, this is also 7. So we can find the area of sector, then we can subtract this area, that is area of triangle, then we can get this part. So what is the required area? Area of this one, area 1, area 2 plus area 2, and this area will be same, so no need to determine again, we can do like this. So let's start the question. This is the diagram which is complete. This is 7, this is 7, this is 7, this is 7, so this will be 3.5. Now see the solution. Area of the small circle, as I have told you, area of the small circle will be pi r1 square, and r1 here is the, here it is written wrong, it should be r2. So you make it correct. Smaller circle radius is r2, so this you can determine. Now next what they have done, this part, to determine this part, we can also do area of semicircle. One part I have told you, divide it into 2 and make it sector. Now here the solution is, if we want to determine this part, then what they have done, area of semicircle means complete semicircle minus area of this triangle, area of this triangle. If we subtract, area of semicircle will be this complete, and if we remove this area, then it will determine this part. So first of all they have determined the area of semicircle, then in this radius used is 7, then area of this part, half base into height, this is the base, that is that will be 2 into 7, 14 diameter, and this is the height, as it was given, this is perpendicular. This is 14 and this is 7, so half base into height, 14 into 7, overall it is 49. Now required area is area of smaller circle, area of semicircle minus area of triangle. Finally answer is this. Very simple concept in this question. Now next question. Area of equilateral triangle. This equilateral triangle is given. We have to find the all the vertices of the triangle is the center of these three circle. Now it is also given the side. ये जो side है, the radius is half of the side. Means suppose it is 6 completely, then the radius will be 3. It is given like this. Now we have to find the area of shaded region, means this area only, this area. How we will determine? Area of triangle minus area of 3 sector, 1 sector, 2 sector, 3 sector. So first of all we will use this to get the side of a triangle. Now see the solution. Area of triangle is given this. Let the side of a equilateral triangle is A. So area of equilateral triangle is root 3 upon 4a square. Now value of root 3 in question it is given this. In question already it is given. Now on solving, multiplying this with 4 and this on dividing, you will get this. क्योंकि ये देखो, this is same, only point if we will remove and we will solve, we will get 10,000 only. Now on taking root both side, we have got 200. So what we have got? We have got the side as 200. So what will be the radius? Radius will be 100. It is given in the question. See the complete diagram. This is now completely is a 200. This is 100. Now we will get the area of one sector. Area of sector is theta upon 360 pi r square. Theta is taken 60 because it is a equilateral triangle. R will be taken as 100. We have determined in previous part. So on substituting, we have got this solution. But this is the area of one sector, but there are 3 sector. So all this sector we have to remove from area of equilateral triangle. So finally equilateral triangle minus 3 into area of each sector, and we have got this solution. Now class, next question. This is very simple question, only diagrammatic representation. This is a handkerchief and 9 circles are there as a design in this. Each is of radius 7, means diameter of this is 14, diameter of this is 14 and diameter of this is 14. So overall it is 42. Same here, it will be 42. So area, this area we can determine, and what we have to get? Remaining area of the portion of the handkerchief, means this area, this left area we have to determine. So what we will do? Area of square minus 9 into area of single circle. So see the solution. Same. Now area of square will be 42. This is completely a 42, so 42 into 42 area of square, and area of one circle is this. As the radius is 7, so this formula is used. Now area of 9 circle will be multiplying by 9, and finally the result is this. Area of square minus area of 9 circles. I hope you all are understanding. Now see the next. Next question, it is given that this is a quad. Quad means this is 90 degree. Again I am repeating, quad 1/4 of the circle. There are 4 parts, so this is one part. Overall it is 360, so this will be 90. Now this is given as 2. Radius is given as 3.5. We have to determine this area. So area of quad minus this part DOB. If we'll remove this part, we will get this area.